Welcome car lovers. Imagine a road that stretches endlessly, the horizon glowing under the morning sun, and in the distance you hear nothing but the rush of wind and the hum of pure electricity. This is the new era of open-top driving, and at the heart of it is the 2026 BMW Z4 replacement, a fully electric sports car that dares to reinvent the thrill of the classic Roadster. BMW hasn't just updated a legend, they've redefined it for the future. The story of the Z lineage has always been about freedom, style and performance, and this new chapter takes that DNA and infuses it with modern technology. Its design is low, sleek and sculpted, with muscular arches and a stance that looks ready to leap forward even at a standstill. The long hood silhouette is gone, replaced with sharper proportions, born of an EV platform, but the character lines are unmistakably BMW. Slim laser-like headlights carve through the front, while a bold kidney grille, now sealed for aerodynamics, gives it that unmistakable fate. With frameless windows and a flowing roofline, it's a piece of rolling sculpture built to be admired from every angle. Slip inside and you're greeted by a cockpit that balances tradition with innovation. The driver-focused layout is enhanced by BMW's curved display that merges digital gauges and infotainment into one sweeping screen. Materials are premium, yet sustainable, with Alcantara, recycled carbon fiber, and soft leathers wrapping the cabin. The sport seats hug you tight, and every surface feels crafted to heighten the drama of driving. Subtle ambient lighting pulses with your driving mode, making every night drive feel like theater. Underneath this artistry lies serious muscle. The new Z4 EV comes with a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup, producing around 470 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of instant torque. That means blistering acceleration, hitting 0 to 60 in just 3.5. The top speed is electronically capped at 155 miles per hour, but the way it surges forward feels limitless. Its lightweight EV-dedicated chassis keeps the curb weight around 4,000 pounds, impressively low for an electric sports car, ensuring agility that honors its Roadster heritage. The battery pack is a 90 kilowatt-hour unit, giving an estimated range of 300 miles, enough for long stretches of open road or winding canyon drives. Without hesitation, with fast charging, you can regain 200 miles in just 20 minutes, keeping the adventure alive with barely a pause. But the numbers only tell half the story. The true magic is in the driving feel. Instant torque delivers a rush that feels like a slingshot, while the steering is sharp and precise, making you feel connected to every corner. Adaptive suspension adjusts in real time, giving comfort when cruising and razor-sharp control when attacking bends. Top down, the silence of an electric motor merges with the symphony of wind and road, creating a driving experience both futuristic and pure. And then comes the question of value. BMW aims to position this Z4 replacement competitively, with prices expected to start around $75,000, pushing up as you add performance and luxury options. For what it offers, a blend of heritage, design, performance, and cutting-edge EV technology, it stands as one of the most compelling roadsters of the decade. This isn't just a car, it's BMW proving that the thrill of a roadster doesn't fade with time, it evolves. The 2026 BMW Z4 EV isn't only the replacement of a legend, it's the rebirth of a dream for a new generation of drivers. If you loved this journey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to NextDrive, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest cinematic car review. Share it with fellow car lovers, and be part of a community that celebrates speed, design, and innovation. The future of driving is here. Let's experience it together.